Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a custom domain name to Blogger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Blogger and go into the settings and scroll down and go into the publishing, and here you can see an option to add the custom domain. So you simply need to click on that, and here you can see that I have two domains in my hostinger, so I'm going to connect this one. So you need to type that domain here. So I'm going to type my domain. Once you enter your domain, click on save. So once you are saving, you see this error. So the next step you need to go is to your DNS and name servers. And first you need to delete all of these. So let me delete this all record. So once your all record is deleted, then the next step is you simply need to go back on to your blogger, and here you can see this detail. So first step you simply need to do is to copy this specific part, copy this and come on to your this DNS page, and here you can see type. So you simply need to select here CNAME, and the next part is name. You simply need to add here www, and here in the target you need to add the value and click on add record. And now you can see that this record is added, and now you need to go back, and after that you need to copy this value, this second one that I am copy, go back on to your hosting domain panel, and once you are here you need to select the CNAME again. Then you need to enter the code that we copy here, and in the target you need to enter this destination link. So you simply need to select this all, make sure you are selecting that I am doing, paste that here and click on add record. Here you can see that this record is also added. Then you need to go on to your blogger, and you can see this link. So you simply need to select this link, copy that and search here, wait for few seconds here, and now you need to complete this third step. So let me show you. Here you can see that this one, that you need to add this here in the DNS record as well. So how you can add this? So you simply need to first, we are going to copy the first one, go back onto the DNS, and here we need to add the type A and name at the rate of, and here you need to add the first value, and then you need to click on add record, and then here you can see that it is added. After that go back, select the second one, add this one again now, and name will be at the rate of, and then you need to click on add record. So here you can see that it is matching. So let me copy this one. So make sure that it is not matching and it is different. Click on add record, click on confirm. Now you can see that this one is added. Now we are going to add the third one. Select the third one, copy that, click on add record, click on confirm. Then you need to select the fourth one, copy that, come here, add the rate of, add the fourth value, click on add record, click on confirm, and now you need to go back onto the blogger and click on save. And now once you done that, your custom domain will be here. You can see that added. So this is the process how you can add custom domain name to blogger. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.